Das war jetzt lang. Das war jetzt lang. 3 Sekunden. Nein, das geht nicht. If you've seen my last video, you saw that in the film bag was some very old film, or I think it's pretty old. It has to be there like for 2 years or maybe 3 years. And I only shot like half of the film. So I shot the PAN F Plus 50 on the street, and I even had to overexpose it because it was that old. But I still got some results. You're gonna see that at the end of the video. And I also hoped to reveal some memories that were on the film, but the first 6 frames were just empty. I have no idea how this can happen, or maybe because it's that old, but otherwise normally you have to have some images on there, even if it's that old. So I used my typical workflow to develop the film. For a developer, this time I used the HC110. But now I don't want to keep you waiting any longer, and join me on my walk with the PAN F Plus. Ja, da, mit der Maske könnte das gehen. 3 Sekunden. Nein, das geht nicht. 3 Sekunden ist überlegt. Sechstel habe ich jetzt da, es kommt drauf an. Luft anhalten. Ja. Das war jetzt lang. Das war jetzt lang. When I saw the first images with these little dots, I was upset because I thought I did something wrong. But then I saw the image with the tree, and if you have a closer look, there is an airplane in the center of the tree. I was waiting it to get there, and I was super happy with the outcome. Even I noticed it was some kind of mistake, but I really loved it. It looked like I was shooting the tree at midnight with stars in the background. It really turned out great. Basically, I read a lot of articles in the internet, and most of them point in the direction that the PAN F Plus has an issue if you store it not right or if it's expired. So I didn't store it right in the camera and it was expired. So this lucky accident is on me. I will write about it on my blog and link some articles there. Anyway, if you made it until here, congrats. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks a lot to my Patreon supporters. Yeah, and as always, I'll be back, guys.